Welcome to our video on JavaScript Arrow functions crash course. In this tutorial we will simplify your code and make your life easier. Arrow functions are a concise way of writing functions in JavaScript. They allow us to write shorter and cleaner code, reducing the need for extra typing and improving readability. An arrow function is alternative to a traditional function defined with function keyword. Arrow functions are always unnamed. You can assign the arrow function to a variable so it has a name. Let's take a look on example. Here's an example of a traditional function. The sum function is defined using function keyword. And now, let's convert it to an arrow function. Here we create arrow function and assigned it to some variable and called it in console log. See how we removed the function keyword and used the arrow symbol instead. We just removed function keyword and added an arrow syntax to it. It's that simple to write arrow functions. In shorter syntax for no parameter, you do not need to specify the parenthesis. If your function code can fit into single line of return statement, then there is no need of writing the function body with curly braces. Just directly write your line of return statement after the arrow like this. Arrow functions also have a shorter syntax when working with single parameters. Another great feature of arrow functions is that they have lexical scoping. This means that the value of this inside an arrow function is taken from the surrounding context. No more headaches with binding this. But be cautious, arrow functions cannot be used as constructors, so avoid using them when you need to create objects with the new keyword. Arrow functions also excel in their ability to create concise and elegant code when used with array methods like map, filter, and reduce. Now, let's summarize the benefits of arrow functions in JavaScript. They simplify your code. They reduce typing. They improve readability. They have lexical scoping. They work great with array methods. So start embracing arrow functions in your code and experience the joy of simplicity. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.